What credit score do you need to get approved for a mortgage in Alberta? That's a fantastic question and a great place to start. To answer that question, we start with what your credit score actually is. Your credit score is a rating, 300 on the low end and 900 on the high end, that lets lenders know how you manage your money and how you repay your debts. So how is that credit score calculated? Well, there's actually 5 different factors. The first one, 35%, is your repayment history. That essentially means when you borrow money, you pay it back on time. Credit utilization is worth 30%. All that's saying is if you have credit cards or lines of credit, are they maxed out to the limit or do you have them paid down low? Even if you're making your payments on time, those high balances can hurt you. The length of credit history just means that if you have 6 years of history, it is stronger than having 6 months of history, so long as it's good history. Types of accounts is a little bit of a weird one. That just means do you have a good mix of different types of credit or do you just have a few small credit cards? And the one that everybody's aware of, that's your credit inquiries. Every time you apply for credit, it does bring it down a tiny little bit, so you don't want to build up too many credit inquiries. So if you do everything right, you focus on all 5 categories, you should end up with a good, strong credit score. But even if you make all of your payments on time and you max out your credit cards with lines of credit and then do a bunch of inquiries, that can pull your score down. So why do the lenders care so much? Well, essentially, it's just about repayment reliability. When they look at your credit bureau and they see a good high score, they're fairly confident that you're going to be making your payments on time every month. If they look at your bureau and they see a little bit of a lower score, it raises some questions and some red flags where they may be concerned that repayment might not be reliable. If you're watching these kinds of videos, you're already doing the right thing. Jump on my website. There's a little bit more information on there, or better yet, give me a call or shoot me a text. I'd be happy to walk you through any questions that you have. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching.